Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to analyze Quercus reviews and I'll also explain Quercus website is a scam or legit. So this is not a website guys, the review is totally unbiased and you'll get to know about the genuine information and reviews regarding this website. So watch the video till end and let's get started. So this is the homepage of Quercus.com website. You can see the company is offering some fashion essentials like jackets and earphones. So when you click the categories option, you will find the product description like earphone and jackets. And let's take a look at these specials. In this option, you will get the jackets. And when you click on the reviews option, so guys, there are currently no product reviews as this website is new. Let's take a look at the contact information. Yeah, the email address is available on the website. If you want to connect with this customer service team or the company, then you can mail at vivifashionceo@gmail.com, or you can also leave a message here with your full name and email address. Okay. Let's take a look to the shipping information. So here are some questions related to shipping. You can read the entire questions and answers for your convenience. And guys, the shipping time depends on your exact location. So it will take 3 to 5 business days for handling and 1 to 4 weeks for shipping. The company will definitely try to deliver your package as soon as possible. And if you want to track your order, then you can go to the homepage of the website to track the particular page. And here is question, when will my tracking information appear? So you should see tracking events within 48 to 72 hours after you have received the tracking number ID. The reason for this time lag is that in the most cases, the first tracking event only shows up once the shipment was handed over to us. That is, once the shipment has left the fulfillment center of your online shop. Okay. So you can easily track your product or delivery status. Now let's take a look at the payment section. The company accepts credit card payment, Western Union, bank transfer and MoneyGram payment. And for more detail, you can mail to vivifashionceo@gmail.com. Let's take a look at my account. Welcome, please sign in. So for returning queries or any other queries, you can generate an account. You can create an account over here with your email address and password. And if you have already an account with this website, then you can simply log in. Again, in the contact us information, the contact email is available. Quick links. Okay, so here are all products. You'll find the product name with price tags. But yes, there are no reviews. So we can't say the website is legit or scam. Guys, I'm not promoting this website here, but yes, my motive is to provide the authentic information of this website and various scam alerts. So in case you have a bad experience with this company or website, then you can also share your experience in the comment box. It will also give benefit to other customers while doing online shopping and reviewing a particular website. So please do not dislike the video as this is totally unbiased review. Share your good and bad experience with the company in your comments. I'll get back to you with more scam alerts. And one thing more guys, I wanna tell you some important things that you should consider while online shopping. First is verify the website trust seals. and pay close attention to the website URL. Always look for company's contact page and information. Check for a website privacy policy. It is important, guys. Remember this thing. And always check the website reviews because it will help you to know about the legitimacy of the website. It will definitely help you. So I think I have done with the entire information. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. I'll get back to you with another scam alert and legitimate websites. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.